Welcome to today's Silver Log. It is the 8th of September 2010. And I'm going to go over the technicals and only briefly as I put out a much larger in-depth production on the Labor Day weekend. And we have now seen two consecutive days above the 20 level. And more importantly, it has gotten by this significant resistance level that it has established over the last year or so. More and more signs have been showing that this move has been that of a bear trap or a failed move. It really didn't have the fast move, but what it did instead was it traded within this range, a range I've been talking about for quite some time. So therefore, it's either going to be a breakout above the range or it's going to be a bull trap. A bull trap would be maybe it goes up to the 2060, 21 area, and that's as far as it can hold going back within the range. That's a possibility, but as of now, we are seeing the buyers in control. And another thing I've been mentioning is the longer time you are in a range, the longer duration period that is, you get stuck in a range. Generally speaking, the bigger the breakouts or the breakdowns are going to be, and we'll see how much of a breakout this will tend to be. I said on my blog yesterday that 20 really isn't that big of a resistance level. It's huge. Psychological. It's like getting from the teenage years into maturity. The question is silver ready to mature to higher levels? A lot of these time frames are showing as if it wants to break out the daily chart, which is what you see here, the weekly chart, the monthly chart. They are all showing signs of a breakout. Now, this is SLV, it is the ETF. To get the price to the silver COMEX, 2.2% higher would be the general level as it mirrors the price of silver. And we're seeing all of these moving averages going higher to the upside. And well, that's telling us that we are very, very bullish. We're at highs not seen in over 2 years' time, 2.5 years, that is. We're in a major uptrend. So are we overextended? Yes, we are overextended. Does that mean that it's going to sell off? No. Just because it's overextended doesn't mean that it can't go up any higher. In fact, my best probability guess is that it will find some levels of resistance roughly around the 21 area. But in the meantime, some significant support levels. This blue line represents the 5-day moving average. It has not been tested as of yet as support during this entire bull run higher. You can see how it just hasn't touched it whatsoever. Breaking this 5-day moving average, there's other moving averages like the 50 not shown on here. There's quite a few. You got the purple line, which is the volume weighted average price since this big move has begun. So the buyers are obviously in control for every single time frame that we have. This VWAP is going higher. This VWAP is also going higher. And you also got the two Fibonacci levels, which represents the lows from this area here and this little high. So therefore, the resistance field that you have on this level here, this range would be a significant level if, of course, we have some support. And what does that mean? What that means is if you are looking to make a trade, that is an area where you may look to fish for a bottom. It's an area where the sellers will be saying, well, it's down too much at this time. I'm going to quit selling. This is an area where the buyers may start to bring in some, obviously, some long positions, which can bring the price higher. But like I say, as of now, there is no signs as if this wants to roll over. On the intermediate term, it's only a matter of when before it does. But heck, that's what the intermediate term does all the time. It goes from bull market to bear market to bull market to bear market. And right now, it is in a bull market. If we take the value of this low of 1750, And this level here at 1950, well, that's a difference of $2, and $1.75 would be 10%. So it's already made well over a 10% gain, which is fairly decent. Overall for silver, I've seen better. We are in a very low volatile market right now, at least compared to silver's norm. However, don't be surprised if the volatility within the silver market really explodes. Thank you for watching this video and have yourself a great day. Bye bye.